Alright, the storm is about to hit. We're getting nailed with 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts here. The cloud formation is right there. More lightning. Should be expecting significant hail, significant wind damage, and significant heavy rain. First tornado chase that tornado. 67. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel for more details. You can Twitter me too on my channel. I want to see more of this lightning here. This is so awesome. This is July 9th, 2010. 100-degree heat caused this kick-ass thunderstorm. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Ah, so beautiful. Shoot. Alright, rain's about to come here soon. Sorry for the cheap quality of the camera. Hey, you want to record tornadoes like this, or storms like this? You gotta do what you gotta do. More storm parts coming.